Today I am using popsicle sticks to create this stunning natural looking table lamp. Line the popsicle stick as shown in this video and stick one on top each other. Additional 2 sticks at the back of the creation. A heart shape from the table mat and stick onto the popsicle stick creation. An additional popsicle stick for support at the back of the table mat. Trim off any excess popsicle sticks not covered by the heart-shaped table mat. Process a second time. You should have 2 table mat covered heart-shaped popsicle sticks. Cut the popsicle sticks into 2, then stick onto the empty yogurt cup. Stick a second row of popsicle stick to cover the empty spaces.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Attach the light on top of the upcycled yogurt cup. Once completed, stick the heart-shaped popsicle stick on opposite sides of the recycled yogurt cup base.
As the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna.
And just like that, you too can create your very own stunning table lamp using popsicle sticks.
Be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night.
If you enjoyed this video, place a heart emoji in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this budget-friendly, easy-to-make, natural-looking Valentine's lamp DIY. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, and until next time, elevate your space, not your spending.